In any workplace, identifying hazardous substances is the first step to maintaining a safe environment. Construction workers should be trained to identify chemicals and other substances that pose risk to health. Keep an eye out for common hazard symbols on labels like those of irritants, corrosive or flammables. Once you've identified a substance, it's important to understand what those symbols mean. Locate the Materials Safety Datasheet, or MSDS, for detailed information on handling, storage, and first aid measures. And remember, if a substance is ever decanted and repackaged, it must be properly labelled to avoid any confusion. Proper personal protective equipment, or PPE, is essential when handling hazardous materials. Depending on the hazard, this might include gloves, goggles, and respirators. Correct storage and careful handling of hazardous substances help prevent accidents. Store chemicals in suitable ventilated areas with clear separation for incompatible substances like acid and bases. When transferring liquids, be cautious. Use a funnel or pump and seal the container immediately after use to minimize exposure. Working in well-ventilated areas is crucial, especially when handling volatile substances. In the event of a spill, a swift and safe response is key. Familiarize yourself with the spill response kit and know where to find absorbent materials, neutralizers, and gloves. Once contained, dispose of the waste according to the hazardous waste guidelines. Proper disposal of hazardous waste is essential to avoid contamination. Always place hazardous waste in designated CoSHH bins and label all containers clearly. Regular collection and disposal of waste should be scheduled to maintain a safe working environment. Emergency equipment locations must be known to all employees. Familiarize yourself with the locations of eye wash stations, emergency showers, and first aid kits. If exposure does occur, immediate action is essential. Use plenty of water to flush any affected area and seek medical assistance as needed. Recording is a central part of cost compliance. Every use of hazardous substances, along with any incidents and exposures, should be documented. Accurate records are important for ongoing safety assessments and compliance checks.